Hi everyone, welcome to Cocoa Beats. Spring is already here and I am a flower lover, so I've made this stunning ring with a lovely rose. It is so easy to make and looks gorgeous. Don't you believe me? Alright, I'll show you them. Let's get started. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this ring in the comments down below. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more creative DIY jewelry. If you don't want to miss anything, don't forget to switch the notification sign. Remember, we have a date next Wednesday, but until my next video, don't forget to stay beautiful, smile so much and be very happy. Love you so much. Bye.